but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover your new home or incredible investment opportunity nestled in the serene community of Boston, Portland. This beautiful two-story villa, namely Yellowbird, offers the perfect blend of relaxation, modern amenities, and stunning natural beauty. 11 spacious appointed bedrooms and 11 ensuite bathrooms. Situated on a generous lot of zero point 0.7 acres with ample indoor and outdoor spaces for guests, fully equipped kitchens, dining areas, and lounges ideal for private stays or entertaining groups. Enjoy lush gardens, pool, outdoor seating areas, and a space for recreation. Scenic surroundings with access to Portland's natural beauty just minutes away from Boston Beach, renowned for its surf-friendly waves and authentic jerk cuisine. Close to Frenchman's Cove, Blue Lagoon, and other iconic attractions in Portland. Quiet and safe neighborhood with a welcoming atmosphere for locals and tourists alike. This is perfect for a profitable vacation rental business or a spacious family getaway. With Portland's growing popularity as a tourist destination, the property offers immense potential for income generation. Ready for occupancy. Make contact today for inquiries or to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be weighing my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss
The asking price for this villa is US 750,000, Jamaican 118.3 million, Canadian 1,073,000, Euro 688.9 thousand, or 582.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.